The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. Oh, to me that's alright.
Good morning guys, and welcome to day 5. So our plans for today are that we're going to be checking out of Saratoga Springs, so we'll have to pack up all our things. We'll take them over to Bell Services, so we'll leave half our luggage here and take whatever we need over to Universal with us, and they will transport all our luggage over to the boardwalk for us, so we don't need to bring everything to Universal with us. So that's fantastic, that's really helpful. So we're going to head over to Universal. We're staying at the Stella Nova, so we're going to be checking into there. And then we've got Halloween Horror Nights for tonight. So fun-filled, packed day today. So come along, join us. Let's have some fun. So we're all checked out of our room. Say bye, room.
Bye, room.
That room has served us well, hasn't it, Josh?
It served so well. What's happened to the lights, Mum?
I took the lights down. But yeah, we're at Carriage House at the moment. We've just dropped our luggage with Bell Services, so we split it in half. So half of our luggage is going to go straight to the boardwalk. The other half is going to come with us to Universal, but we're going down Disney Springs now, so we'll pick it up in about an hour or so. We're on a water taxi.
Yeah, man. We're going to Disney Springs.
Yeah.
Where are we going to go eat, Mum? Oh.
I think maybe the Polite Pig again, because Joshua missed out the other day.
Yeah. I imagine by this point they're not doing breakfast.
No.
It's like midday.
I don't know if they would have been anyway. Anyway, I'm going to show you Disney Springs.
This was $3.82 after discount, $4.49 beforehand.
Okay, let's look at it.
Ready? What do you think it is? Yeah.
Oh, a Figment Pez dispenser.
Yeah.
We are headed into the Polite Pig again because we still have quick service credits to use up. So Kieran and I have ordered the butcher's board, and the sides we chose are the corn because I found it delicious. And Kieran's got the chilli, and Matthew and Joshua have both got the butcher's board, but they went for waffle fries and chilli to make dirty waffle fries. So you've got a mocktail.
I got the one I got last time. This is so good.
And I've got a Polite Punch.
The Harvest, the Haunted Harvest.
You're gonna give it a whirl?
It's like whiskey.
Yeah. Did you have that one the other day? No, you had the Long Island tea, didn't you? Is that good?
Yeah.
And this is my drink.
Oh yeah. Oh, drink it, yeah. Lovely.
Oh, that's really nice.
Have you got one for different
Nice
drinks?
and sweet, yeah. So this is the receipt. Yeah, well now. So we have finished our food in the Polite Pig, and that was delicious. We still got our drinks left. So Kieran's finished his drink, I think he guzzled it. But me, Matthew and Joshua have still got our drinks left, so we're gonna chill for 5 minutes, drink these, and then head over to Earl of Sandwich because we still have 1 quick service credit each left. But obviously we're not gonna eat it now, we're not that greedy pigs. But we are going to pick up an Earl of Sandwich, hopefully wrapped so we can take it away and bring it to Universal with us. Good plan? We're headed to Earl of Sandwich now to pick up our last quick service meal.
What sandwich are you going to get, Mum?
I don't know yet.
Great conversation.
What are you going to get then, Josh?
Oh, great question, Mum. I'm so glad that you asked. Cuban sandwich, of course.
Okay.
What's in a Cuban sandwich, you might be wondering?
Cubes.
Cube, yeah, it's just a cube
It's
sandwich.
a cube in a sandwich.
So true, Mum. You got ham in it, you got pork in it, you got pickles, mustard,
Okay.
Swiss cheese.
Awesome.
It's beautiful.
So we've got frozen chocolates. Kieran's got frozen chocolates. Joshua's got a frosé, very sophisticated. And what is your sandwich, did you say?
It's heavenly.
Is it a Cuban? Is that what you said? Yeah.
Cuban.
And Matthew's got a beer, which he's going to have the beer later. And we've got 3 sandwiches to have later. And this is the bill for if you were planning on eating here. That's the prices.
Something?
So this wasn't a terrific use of a quick service dining credit, but I think we've overcompensated by eating at the Polite Pig twice, and this suits us for our plans for today. So I have one last snack credit left to choose. Do you want to help me decide?
Yes.
Do you want to help me decide?
That's a big basket.
Well, I was talking to the camera, but do you want to help me decide? We've got a Mickey pumpkin cheesecake for $6.49, Cecil cheesecake $6.29, cannelloni $5.29. Don't think I'm going to go for any of them. Bullseye cupcake is $6.79. Then over in the bakery department, we have muffins, a Mickey cinnamon roll, banana chocolate chip bread. That's quite good. So that's good value. $7.29. Lemon meringue croissant. I'm tempted with that one. It's not quite hitting my $6 cut-off point, but I quite fancy it. I fancy trying something different.
Mine's either cinnamon roll or one of them.
Or both. You've still got 2.
And like an ice cream sandwich or something.
Okay. So, yeah, I can't decide what to get. I think we have a winner. I'm going to try something a bit different. So it's a Mickey pumpkin cheesecake. Where are we right now, Joshua?
We are at the Stella Nova at Universal Orlando Resort.
Oh, awesome.
So exciting!
Yeah.
I need to get changed into my Halloween Horror Nights clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lobby area. It's very swish. That's the outside pool bit. Look at these funky chairs. How cool are they? That's funny. So we are in room 9039, and as you come in, we have a nice big empty space, which I reckon we could put a suitcase right there. Then it won't be in our way. We have full-length mirror, nice big cupboard with a safe, awesome. Safe is up there. Let me just show you the bathroom quickly because Josh was in a rush to get to Halloween Horror Nights. So this is the toilet and walk-in shower, which is pretty cool. And then the sink is just outside the bathroom. We have a mini fridge, which Matthew is just filling with all our alcohol. 2 beds. Kira's already making a mess. Or was that Joshua making a mess and Kira's just looking untidy? Drawers. So storage space, awesome. We haven't got loads of luggage with us, so that should be enough. A nice settee. Oh, that's cool. So we've got 2 beds to sleep on and a settee to sit on.
Yeah.
That's pretty tidy. You don't usually have that. You either have
Luxury.
one or other. Not usually both. Yeah, we have a bedside table. Unfortunately, I don't have a bedside table. And then some starry sky decor. And then a window. And this is our view from the window. Tidy. So this, I believe, is the bus pickups. So we have to wait for a bus to come and get us for Universal Studios.
Is this where we wait?
Yeah, that's the bus. Well, this is the bus stop. I think I literally just saw it go.
Okay, well, I'm going to sit down and eat my little sandwich anyway.
Yeah, I might have mine.
Okay, so all is not lost. We can eat our lunch. That is my Earl of Sandwich, which is the double Monty. It's got beef and turkey and cheese and mayonnaise and lettuce. And what have you got?
The cannonball.
Let's have a look at the cross section.
Right. There's just meatballs in it.
Yeah, meatballs in it.
Ooh.
Let me have a look at that one. I can see that one.
That's beautiful, that is.
Is it good?
It's beautiful. Tastes like a pizza.
Good. Halloween Horror Nights, baby. This is the queue for the Bourne Stud Spectacular, which is obviously empty because it's Halloween Horror Nights time. This is some of the props for Halloween Horror Nights. You see it better in the sunlight, so that's what I'm showing you now. We just met some of the artists that did some of the artwork for Halloween Horror Nights. Joshua and Kieran both got some signed merchandise, so that was really cool. The park has just opened and everyone's headed straight for their houses. One house done, now we're going through the scare zone.
What do you want to do? Tribute store or try and get on something over there?
I'm happy following you guys, whatever you want to do.
Turn your camera around.
Why? We're going into the tribute store. Yeah, this will probably be the quietest the tribute store will be all night.
This one, okay.
You like that one? Does it say Clown Cafe?
Yeah, it's quite cool.
Oh. Ugh, they're creepy. Fallout. Ooh, like that.
Like this.
Flashing boo. What's that?
It's another beanie.
Are you getting it?
I'll get that one to match you.
Are you getting it?
I
You
might
and
do-
Danny will have matching ones then.
Might do later. She's already got one.
Yeah, but that's a proper matching one.
She's got one that says Halloween Horror Nights on.
I know. I was here last year with Walter.
So how's that not a proper
Because they're the same style. Jason. Ooh, creepy. We watched some of the Friday 13th movies before coming out here. In preparation. I was doing my research. I like that t-shirt. I'm very tempted to buy that one. Pass holder. Universal, Orlando and North House. We just started queuing for the Jason house. It said it was a 50-minute wait and it's 6:55 now, so we'll see how accurate the wait time is. The wait time said 50 minutes when we joined the queue. We're now at 51 and we're still queuing. I'll let you know when we get off the scare zone how long it took.
Forever.
Forever and ever. So we've been on the Jason house and that was very scary. It was a 50-minute wait at the start when we got on, but we actually queued for an hour and 20 minutes. So that was like half an hour longer. So I'm already feeling it. My feet are already aching a little bit and the night is still young. So by the end of the night, goodness knows what I'll be like. We just come off Five Nights at Freddy's house. That was not scary at all, but the animatronics were really cool. That was good fun, that one. So Kieran has purchased the walk-in taco. And what's it consist of? Oh, let me have a look at that.
We don't even know. Stuff.
Stuff.
Yeah. We'll check the menu later.
So it looks like tortilla chips, pulled pork, cheese, a little bit of salad in there. And how much did it come to?
17 with cheese, 15 without.
Okay.
That was $15.
17 with cheese,
And then
15
we
without.
have discount from students.
But like, that's like the price of an alcoholic drink.
Alcoholic beverage.
Beverage.
Garlic parmesan chicken with
Marinara.
Yeah.
Those chicken tenders were actually very yummy. The barbecue sauce is a little spicy, but overall I still really enjoyed them. So what have you got, Matthew?
It's definitely a corn dog.
What have you got? Cheese straw.
It's a mozzarella stick and it's massive.
Oh, do you see the cheese pull on that?
Oh wow, that's so good.
Is it good?
Yeah. Right, mate.
So we're all done at Halloween Horror Nights for tonight. It's now 2:20 in the morning and we're going to make our way back to Stella Nova. I'm shattered. I will do it all again tomorrow. And we're back in the room. So the time is now 3:10 in the morning and I've got to go to bed. I'm so tired and my feet are hurting. So I'm just going to end the vlog, to be honest guys. I'm not even going to talk about what we did today. I'm just going to end the vlog here. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Good night, North Star.
You know, to me that's all